Buddha and beggar. Once a beggar was upset with his life because he had to beg to run his life. He had to beg for everything. He would remain unhappy about this and thought about how his life would change, thinking that he will be disappointed. Every day he would see that many frustrated people with tears in their eyes and troubled by various worries, were going towards Gautam Buddha, and they were very happy while returning. That beggar could not understand what Gautam Buddha used to do to them so that they would become very happy. While returning, there was neither a lot of money in the hands of the people nor gold and silver. Then what happened that people were so happy while returning from Buddha? Thinking all this, the beggar also decided that he too will go to Mahatma Buddha and see what is happening there, that unhappy people go to him and become happy. He walked to meet Buddha. Where Buddha was present, there was a huge long queue, so that beggar also got in the queue. He started waiting in the queue for his turn. His turn came and he reached near Buddha. He said to Buddha, "Buddha, I am very poor. I have nothing. I have to beg to others even to run my life. Now tell me that how can I live my life and how can I do it better?" On hearing all this, the Buddha said, "You are not poor. You think so because till date you have never done anything for anyone. Neither have you ever donated anything to anyone, nor have you done anything for others." Hearing all this, the beggar was in dilemma. To allay his confusion, the beggar asked, "I am a beggar. How can I donate to people and help people? I have to ask others to run my own life." After hearing all this, Gautam Buddha kept quiet for a while and then said to him, "You have a hand with which you can serve people and do good to others. Also, you have a mouth so that you say good things and encourage others. You can help others by doing all this. It is not necessary that donations be made only with money. We can also donate education if we want. If the God has given someone a perfectly good body, then he is not poor. He is simply poor in mind. He should move away from this thought and serve others." After listening to all these things of Buddha, that beggar became very happy and his mind was satisfied now. My dear friends, we all waste time worrying that we are poor. But this is not true. The truth is that as long as our body is completely better, we can use it to move forward and improve our life. If a person just pays attention to his poverty and does not try to change it, then he is a fool. Apart from this, we also learn from this story that donations, not only money, education, food, good thoughts, etc., should be made. If you do not have money, you can give education to others, or you can also share good thoughts to others. This makes society better. I hope you like the story and must have learned something from it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day and healthy and